Hello everyone and welcome to Best Twitch Streamers, and today I'm going to be showing you guys, I'm going to be talking about on how you can start your own YouTube channel. Now in my previous video I covered on how to create a YouTube channel, and that's basically it. Once you're done creating your YouTube channel, you have already started YouTube. Now all you have to do is start uploading videos, start uploading good content that people would like to watch, and start gaining subscribers, start gaining likes, and once you have enough, you can also start earning from YouTube thanks to their monetization. And with that being said, you can also start customizing your channel. If I go to customize channel right there, welcome to YouTube Studio, blah blah blah. From here, you can customize your dashboard. You can upload videos from your dashboard. Go to settings. In the settings there's so much more. You can select the currency that you would like to earn in, permissions, agreements, everything that you need to start your YouTube channel is right over here. Everything. So yeah, that's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.